Hi, folks. My name is Larry George. I'm with ENVEA All-Tech Environment US. We manufacture some of the most precise instrumentation to measure emissions, process gas, process dust, and monitor the flow of bulk solids and powder, as well as moisture. Today, I wanted to focus on talking about measuring pulverized or granulated coal as it goes into a blast furnace for a steel mill application. So I have along with us Tiago, our subject matter expert from the factory in Germany. Tiago, how are you today?
Yeah, well, hello everyone. Hello, Larry. Thank you for the invitation. Let's get into it.
Sounds good. Thanks for joining us. So, Tiago, measuring bulk solids in a pneumatic flow application can be a challenge, especially doing it without having any moving parts or without inserting something into the process that'll obviously wear and tear in doing that. How do we address that?
We accepted this challenge years ago, and we are doing that with the SolidFlow, the perfect device developed for mass flow measurement in dense phase conveying. So pulverized coal is a perfect matter to measure.
Is it a pain to install?
So the installation is a pretty good subject to talk about. It's basically welding these well-known sockets here along the pipe, flushing with the inside. We drill a hole through this well-known socket, and then we come with the sensor. The sensor is then screwed into the well-known socket, and then the tip of the sensor should be flushing inside. We don't want any part to be moving or wearing over time.
Gotcha. Sounds good. So to process all this information, I'm assuming we need more than the sensor.
Exactly. The sensor is one part. From the sensor goes one cable to an external C1 box. And from the C1 box, we can go all the way 200 meters to an external evaluation unit. It can be in a DIN rail mount or in a bigger version with the touchscreen enabled.
Sounds good. So in a free flow application, probably pretty easy to calibrate, but with a pneumatic conveying, is calibration a challenge?
For the calibration, we have to mention the customer has to know the mass flow amount. They should weight the sample before or after the sensor, and then once we start conveying, the sensor will log this data. We should know the mass flow for that point.
Sounds good. So as long as you have an accurate reference point, it works just fine. Thinking about the main pipe before it goes into the various lances and separates out, that coal is pretty packed in there in a dense phase. How do we address that?
For dense phase measurement, we have a second sensor, the dense flow. Dense flow is specially developed for dense phase measurement. It has another form factor. It goes in line with the pipe, and its interior is completely in ceramic. Again, no problems with abrasion, but we can address that in the second video.
Sounds great. Look forward to that. A lot of information. Thank you very much, Tiago. I'm sure it brought up a lot of questions. There's plenty more information on the product at the links below, and please don't hesitate to contact us with any of those questions. We'd love to hear from you. We appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thanks, Tiago.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks, Larry. And see you next time with more solids measurement. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.